dos, tres.
This is the KODAK disposable camera. This is super cool. I love this faux leather look. I do have to say the quality of it is not nearly as cool as I expected. I thought the leather was going to be a little bit nicer, but it definitely has the look that you want going for it. The other thing that I don't really love about this camera is that the wind up down here to load the next picture is just in an awkward spot. I'm so used to it having it be up here that this is an adjustment, at least for me. It is nice that it does come with this handle, and it also comes with a little case to store the camera. And then the film goes inside here. It does have flash. Yep, so it's pretty cool. All right, here is the KODAK camera. It comes in this little case here. And then here it is. It's very cute and vintage. Comes with this strap. This right here is what turns on the flash and off. Only thing I recommend is making sure to turn that off every time because it will kill the battery. And then here's the battery right there. It's just a AAA. And then here's the back and where your film goes in. And then your slider there. I'm not going to slide it, but easy to use, easy to put the film in and get it out, and overall a great camera.